now the noodles are getting ready. We're just going to stir it one more time. Just make sure before we put it into the strainer, they don't stick. All right, and then we're going to turn it off. We're going to grab the handles, and we're just going to pour it in. All the smoke going up. And we're gonna give it a while, just give it a couple of seconds while it does that. And we're gonna come over here to our meat and sauce, and we're gonna stir that. And it's starting to bubble just a little bit. I'm just gonna stir that. And we'll cover it back up. Then we're gonna come back over to our noodles. We're gonna shake. No water falling out. And then we're gonna bring it over here to our back to the bowl. I'm gonna put this over here. All right. And now it's time to plate. So we're gonna turn our sauce off. Remove the lid. We're gonna open our cheese. We have mozzarella and cheddar. We have cheddar ready. We're gonna put mozzarella. The mozzarella is ready. All right, now we'll come over here. So how we're gonna plate is gonna go noodles, the meat and the sauce, and then we're gonna put the cheese, and then we're gonna repeat until we go all the way to the top. And the last layer on the top is gonna be the cheese. So we're gonna get the spoon and just dump some noodles inside. And we're gonna line them up. Be very careful, the noodles are hot. You don't wanna burn yourself. And our hands are already washed because we washed them in the beginning. We're just going to plate them like this, and it's going to go all the way across. Depending on the pan you use, it makes different layers. My pan makes 4 layers. I'm just going to cover it all the way till we get to the top, like the first one. And then we're going to move on to the second one, the second row. And now the third one. It doesn't have to be perfect, just as long as it covers the bottom of it. And get some more noodles. All right, now we'll move on to our last row. All right, when you just have a little space, I'm gonna just cover it up just a little bit with just some noodles. Just take some noodles and go, just single ones, and just cover the bottom of it. They do like to stay together. So I'm like, make sure that it's broken apart. Alright, now that we have our first layer of noodles on, we're gonna move over here to our pasta. And I'll move this over here so we just don't spill no pasta and sauce. And since we're just going right over here, these over here. And being very carefully, we're just gonna go over here and just dump the meat and the noodles onto the noodles. And as we do that, I'm just gonna spread it out. Just to cover the first layer. Alrighty. Now that the first layer is covered, does not have to be perfect, like I said. It's all covered. Now we're going to add the cheese. So we're going to move our pan and come over here to the cheese. And we're going to start with cheddar first. I'm just going to sprinkle it all up here. Good, yummy cheese. You can go however much you want. And then we're going to move on to the mozzarella one. Just to make sure it's all covered. So I like to pay attention to the edges. Just make sure we get all the edges covered. And there's going to be spills, which is perfectly okay.